What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the Rooftop Growler. So today I basically showing you the plants that we have and just giving an update on them. So this is one of the plants. She's flowering nicely, budding up. Both are swelling real nice. Sticky. It smells really good. Yeah, this is mad, bro. This smells really good. Really good. And then there's another one. And there's something about this plant as well. The pistils on this, the color, really nice. And there's the other plant. So this one is I think this is the tallest one of them all. No, not necessarily. But this is doing nice as well. And this is our purple tangy seedling. So this one is growing lovely. So this is getting, I think, about 15 hours of light. So this right here, this small container is for humidity, extra humidity. So one of my bros doing this, and I guess it's working for me as well. This is another plant. And I would say this is our biggest plant. Well, plant with the most fruit on it, but as you can see, that one in the back there is sticking up at the top. And then we have the other ones there. And then we have our pepper. So that's it, guys. I'll definitely be feeding these plants soon. As you can see, the soil is dry, so I'll be feeding it soon with something organic that I've made. So I'll be posting a video in about 3 to 4 days about that, or depends. We're expecting rain, so I'm waiting to see if I'll get rain before I go ahead and water these plants. But if I get no rain within the next 1 to 2, maybe 3 days, because these can go, well, to be fair, it's a bit dry. So I think I'm gonna put some water on these. Yeah, but outside of that, they're doing lovely. Our pepper is doing lovely as well.